So we took the dogs out on some planted birds to get a little bit of practice in and fine-tune things. We have Clark, the year-old lab, who is still figuring things out, and Rufus, my 3-year-old German Wirehair pointer, who just needs to continue to work on steadiness. Clark is still learning that scent means birds, and that was the focus of today. So here on this first one, we'll have Rufus go on point, and Clark will stop with him. However, as we move forward, Clark bumps the bird, causes it to flush. Luckily, we're still able to get him. Good learning experience for Clark.
Here! Good boy, good boy, good boy! Good job, good job! Good job, Clark! Good boy!
Throughout this whole video, I'm also realizing that I need to have the camera tipped up.
Hey, you retrieved even. Rufus.
Now in this clip, I try to call Rufus because we're moving to the left and he ignores me.
Nope, come on. Oh, whoa. Good job, buddy.
And he ignores me because he's in scent and goes on point.
And then, like, try to get Clark to come in from the same side as Rufus, and he'll get the scent there.
Come here, Clark. Clark, here. Come here.
Good, whoa. There, and he smells it. Here.
And this situation unfolded nicely. Clark found the scent, produced a bird, and even though he flew right at us, we're still able to take him.
Here. Clark, leave it.
Clark, come here.
Rufus, here. Here.
Clark, sit. Clark, sit.
Here, Roof. Good boy. Nope, nope.
Clark, sit.
Fetch. Here. Nope. Lush. Good boy, buddy.
We move on to the next setup, where I did not have the camera on
Nice
in
shot.
time when Rufus was on point, and by the time I clicked it on, Clark was already getting in to flush the bird.
Good boy, Clark.
Good boy. Here.
Good job, Roofie.
Moving on to this next one,
Whoa.
Rufus goes on point,
There we go.
and it's old scent. And I can see that he's tracking and trailing, and the bird has to be around here somewhere. Unfortunately, before he can go on point, Clark runs into the bird and gets it up out
No,
of range.
Rufus is trailing it.
Clark,
Here.
Clark, here.
Clark runs into the bird on his own. Great learning experience for him. Luckily, it flushes back at us, and I'm able to take this crossing shot and knock it down.
Yeah, nice shot.
Good boys. Get it. Here. Fetch, Rufus. He's got it. Here. Good boy. Here, here, here.
Clark. Come on, buddy. Clark, here.
Good boy. Good job, bud. Here.
Clark,
Come on.
Clark, sit.
Come here.
Sit. Clark, sit.
Flush. Good job, bud.
Thanks.
Into this next one, Rufus goes on
Oh.
point.
Clark, no.
Clark gets up to him and produces the bird. Unfortunately, we were standing there talking
Clark.
and didn't realize Rufus went on point
Sit.
until Clark was almost there.
All right, free. Clark.
Here's a nice setup for Clark. Rufus will go on point while Clark is with us,
Whoa.
and we're able to walk him
Clark, hold
over
up.
into it and get him into the scent cone.
Clark,
Perfect. The wind's right in our face, too.
Clark.
Clark, Clark, Clark. Good boy, Roof.
Clark, sit. Clark, sit.
Oh, we're close enough. We can let him
All right.
follow that scent.
All right. He does, horse.
Clark hits the scent, bird comes up, Jim makes a great shot, knocks the bird down, and Clark is putting this together.
I stepped right into a hole. Good boy, Rufy. Here.
Clark, here.
Here.
Sit.
Nope,
Clark,
here.
Sit.
Here.
Clark,
Rufus, here.
sit.
Good boy. Good job. Good boy.